Alright, in today's video we're going to be installing Custom Dynamics Gen2 SSXL load equalizer. There we go, right there. As you may remember, we installed the LED lights last time, so now we have what's known as hyperflash. You can see the signals, they pick up speed. That is called hyperflash. So this is a simple install. Everything goes according to plan. This should take no more than 5 minutes, maybe. So first thing you're going to do is remove your seat. Okay, in my case, I have a hand-style screw instead of having to have a Phillips head screwdriver. And we just take that off. And then I'll just put that in my pocket for now. Next order of business is a seat. And on the Sportster, you gotta, with the backrest on, you gotta get the tab to clear, and then off it comes. Now we'll set that out of the way for now. All right, I'm gonna bring you around, and we're gonna look at it from this angle. See if we can get you here. This is what we gotta do. Okay. And the next order of business is going to be, easiest way I believe to do this is we're going to remove the computer box here. Actually, let me get something to set that on again. I don't want to scratch up that side cover any worse than it already is. It's already torn up pretty good. The original owner must have lost it. So that comes over here. And then underneath here, make sure I can show it to you. Let me bring the camera back this way. I'll let you see. And right here is your connection. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to unplug this, and then you're going to put the signal stabilizer in line with that. So let's get that going. Get this camera set back up. You guys can see what I'm doing. Okay, that should work. All right, so first thing we're going to do is unplug here. Okay. Got one single tab on it. There we go. Okay. See now that that's unplugged. Right there, that's unplugged. And we'll take our signal stabilizer out. Now the signal stabilizer actually has two settings on it. So one for normal. So depending on what you're going to need, it's going to be one or the other. So now what we're going to do is take the signal stabilizer. And like I said, this is simple. Custom Dynamics makes some great stuff. Everything that I've ever had from them is plug and play. I've never, like I said in another video, never had any problems with their devices that they sell. So, okay. So here, this one end's going to go in here. And lock in, and then the other end goes in the other one, like so, and locks in. I'll get it started here. We'll be in business. Come on. I'll have it upside down. Yeah, I got it upside down. There we go. There we go. All right, so that's it. And now we're going to see what we have. All right, now that we have the load stabilizer installed, we're going to synchronize the signals. And what you do with this is you turn your key to the on position, right signal, 2 flashes, left signal, 2 flashes, back to the right, let it flash 10 times, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, off, turn the key off, make sure it flashes for your alarm if equipped with a there you go. If equipped with security, you got to make sure the lights flash and everything's doing what it has to do. We'll button stuff up. So we're going to tuck the wires back down underneath. Back over here where you can see what I'm doing. All right, so what we're going to do, we want to tuck these wires back down. And down out of the way. And then this back up here, line up with the tabs. that's locked in. And then this, I'm just going to zip tie right around here somewhere. Let's see what we got. We just want to make sure it's down out of the way so the seat can go back on without a problem. And it looks like it's going to prevent it from slipping all the way down in where I want it. So let's pull this back out for a second. Lost my cloth. Come here, you. Got it. All right, let's see if we can get these to lay down flat under here. They give you a lot of extra lead, I guess, so you can decide exactly where you want to put the device. So, okay, that's that. Now, set that down there. Now I'll come back up here, and we'll see if the seat will go on like that. Try it right there. Hopefully the seat will go back on without an issue. Lock into place, and we'll be in business. Like that right there. There we go. Now, let's see. Get our seat on. And again, you'll have to force the seat forward to get it to pop into place. Very good. There we go. Seat's on. Don't forget your seat bolt in the back or screw, depending on what you have. But I picked this up off of Amazon. It was like $7.99. Just makes it a little bit easier. You ain't got to worry about having a Phillips head screwdriver with you all the time if you have to take the seat off and out and about. And there we go. And we'll test it one more time, make sure we're working okay. Light on. Nice. Left side. Right side. Now we'll do the left side. Very good. Everything's stabilized. Very good. Looks good. And that's the extent of it. That's how simple of an install that particular device is. Again, Custom Dynamics plug and play. You can't beat it. All right, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Not sure what it's going to be. Maybe the air cleaner, depending on the temperature here. It's supposed to be very cold this weekend again, but I've told you guys a couple of times, this is what's going to be going on it. A little dusty right now, but that's off of a 2022 iron. So we're going to put that on and get rid of that Screaming Eagle thing. Personally, I prefer the round to the oval. All right, very good. All right, I'll see you guys in the next video.